Hello everyone, in this short review, modified and restored Majorette cars. Now, not so long ago I have reviewed this Mercedes Maybach G650 Landaulet, and I've made a simple modification to it. I will put a link to my review below in the description, and now let's see what modification have I done to it. Now, the original car is this, and if you can see, it's the wheel sits close to the arc, so it's too low. It's too low for this SUV. So what I have done is raise the car, cut out this rivet so I can remove the base, take out the wheels, and glue it on the outside instead. Now I have no more suspension, but I have a good height right now, and it still rolls. It still rolls very nice. So just a simple modification to increase the height of the car. Next is this very old Majorette from the 80s, mid-80s. It's a Renault 5. The original is in apple green color, and it has a lot of paint loss. So what I do is I have restored it by painting it in gray color and put it in a packaging that is current. So here it is. Now, isn't it nice if Majorette can do this? Just take some of their old mold and just do a vintage range. Now they have the vintage range, which is the Ford Mustang, the Citroen 2CV, but that is all new casting except for the Beetle. What we want to see is old casting. This, the Mercedes 450 SEL. Anyway, let's have a look at this restored Renault 5-door version. You can see that, yeah, it says Majorette Renault 5, made in France. I have painted it gray, added wiper marking on the windscreen, front and back, and rear lights, red and orange, and painted the wheels up. The door can be opened, and you can see the interior is yellow. I have done nothing to the interior. Steering wheel is detail, not just a round plastic, so it's good back then. So there you go, restored Majorette. Well, hope you like this simple review. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye.